औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम रब्बिश्रह ली सदरी वयस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली। प्यारे बच्चों, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। उम्मीद है आप सब लोग खैरियत से होंगे। आज हम मैथमेटिक्स सिक्स क्लास की मैथमेटिक्स का चैप्टर नंबर 9 जिसका अनवान है लीनियर इक्वेशन, आज हम ये पढ़ेंगे। टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी in algebraic portion of mathematics a linear equation. So we will learn what is the linear equation, what is the difference between linear equation and expression, and we will see different types of linear equation and expression. Let's see. So what is a linear equation? Basically a mathematical representation in which there are two parts. One is left side and the other is right side, and in between left and right there is equal sign, and separated by an equal sign, that is called a equation. Yeah, algebraic equation. A mathematical sentence which has equal sides separated by an equal sign is called a equation. एक ऐसी इक्वेशन जिसकी दोनों साइड इक्वल हों और उनके दरमियान में एक एक्सप्रेशन, एक इक्वल का साइन हो, उसको हम कहते हैं अलजेब्रिक इक्वेशन. अब लेट्स सी व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन इक्वेशन एंड एक्सप्रेशन. As we know that an equation has an equal sign, and in expression, an expression does not have an equal sign. So an equation has left and right side, in expression has only one side. So equations are true for some values of the variables, expressions are true for all values of the variables. So let's see which are the equation and which are the expression. So we'll start from exercise number 9.1. Identify the following as algebraic equation or expression. अब हमने ये बताना है कि ये इनमें से कौन सी अलजेब्रिक इक्वेशन है और कौन सी इक्वेशन है और कौन सी एक्सप्रेशन है. 2x + 3y = 13. अब इनमें दोनों साइड हैं, इक्वल का साइन है दरमियान में, तो ये हम अभी पढ़ चुके हैं कि ये क्या है, ये इक्वेशन है. इसी तरह 5x + 3y, इसमें भी दोनों साइड्स हैं और दरमियान में इक्वल का साइन है. सो दिस इज़ आल्सो एन expression equation. Here n is equal to mc square, that it has equal sign both sides, left side and right side, so it is also an equation. Here 10b + 4 is equal to 14. This is also left side, right side, and in between there is equal the sign, so it is also an equation. 8x + 9y, this is an expression because there is only one side, no equal side, no left, no right. 3s + 40, this is also an expression, not equation. And this is x square, the x cube minus 32x + 23 is equal to 0. So this is also an equation because it has left side, right side, and in between there is a equal sign. So here also x cube plus y cube, x power 3 plus y power 3 minus 3xy is equal to 42. This is also a algebraic equation because it has left side, right side, and in between there is equal sign. Now we will study what is a linear equation. A linear equation is an algebraic equation where the highest power of the variable इन्वॉल्व इज़ 1. लीनियर इक्वेशन क्या हुई कि लीनियर इक्वेशन एक ऐसी अलजेब्रिक इक्वेशन को कहते हैं जिसकी जिसमें वेरिएबल की हाईएस्ट पावर जो है वो 1 हो. इन अदर वर्ड्स वी कैन से दैट a linear equation contains the expressions having variables with highest power of 1. यानी कि हाईएस्ट पावर जो है वो 1 हो ऐसे वेरिएबल उसमें, इसको हम लीनियर इक्वेशन कहते हैं. जैसे z minus 4 is equal to 4. Here z value is 1 and 3x plus 2 is equal to 12. This is also a linear equation. So these are kinds of linear equation. So now we are going for the question number 9.2, that identify the linear equation from the following. अब इसमें हमने ये बताना है कि लीनियर इक्वेशन कौन कौन सी है. हमने अभी पढ़ा है कि लीनियर इक्वेशन वो इक्वेशन होती है जिसकी पावर 1 हो. तो इसमें ये देखें जैसे y इज इक्वल टू 2x प्लस 1. तो इसमें वेरिएबल y है और x है, इन दोनों की पावर 1 है, तो लिहाजा ये जो है लीनियर इक्वेशन है. अब इसमें 5x x पावर 3 इज इक्वल टू 6 प्लस 3y. अब ये लीनियर इक्वेशन नहीं है क्योंकि इसकी पावर 3 है. इसी तरह सी पार्ट में y डिवाइडेड बाई 2 इज इक्वल टू 3 माइनस एक्स. अब इसमें भी पावर जो है हाईएस्ट पावर जो 1 है और इसको हम कहेंगे ये लीनियर इक्वेशन है. इसी तरह x बाई 2 प्लस 16, ये भी एक लीनियर इक्वेशन है क्योंकि वेरिएबल x है, x की पावर 1 है. 3 माइनस वाई क्यूब इज इक्वल टू 16 इज इक्वल टू 6. तो ये लीनियर इक्वेशन नहीं है क्योंकि इसके वेरिएबल की पावर 3 है. इसी तरह y इज इक्वल टू 3 प्लस z. तो इसमें जितने भी वेरिएबल्स हैं सबकी पावर 1 है, तो ये लीनियर इक्वेशन हुई. इसी तरह 22x प्लस 5.7 इज इक्वल टू this one. This is also a linear equation because it has its variable power 1. Write at least 5 linear equation in one variable. तो ये हमने 5 जो linear equations लिखनी है जिसमें एक वेरिएबल हो. तो आइए देखते हैं कैसे लिखते हैं. So we will write the variables with only single power, one power 1. If we'll see here, this is 5x plus 2y is equal to 0. Here variable is x and y, it both have the power 1. इसी तरह x by 2 plus y by 3, both variables have power 1. इन दोनों वेरिएबल्स की पावर 1 है, लिहाजा ये भी एक लीनियर इक्वेशन, ये लीनियर इक्वेशन है. अब इसी तरह 90 plus 5 is equal to 0. This is also a linear equation because here t is the variable and its value is 1. Its power is 1. 3 plus 8z. Here variable is z and its power is 1. So this is also a linear equation. So here fifth question, m plus n is equal to 3. This m is also variable, n is also variable. Both have the power 1. So these are called the linear equation. So now we'll go write algebraic expression for the following phrase. ये जो हमें फ्रेज दिए हुए हैं इनसे हमने algebraic expression लिखनी है. 5 added to a number. ठीक है, कोई एक नंबर सपोज कि x है उसमें 5 ऐड करें तो वो हम कैसे लिखेंगे. इसी तरह ए नंबर सब्ट्रैक्टेड फ्रॉम 8. कोई एक नंबर है जिसको 8 से आप सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे. 20 डिक्रीज बाई ए नंबर, जो 20 है वो डिक्रीज बाई ए नंबर, वो लिखना है. तो आइए देखते हैं वन बाई वन हम कैसे ये एक्सप्रेशन लिखी जाती है. ओके, हियर 5 एडेड टू ए नंबर. नंबर सपोज वी हैव एनी नंबर that is x 5 plus added to any number we have x, we don't, it's a variable 5 plus x. So second is a number subtracted from 8. So any number that is suppose here it is, we say x y z, any number minus 8. that is gives you the answer. In the same way, C part is 20 decreased by a number. So number is x and decreased minus 20 minus x. That will be our answer. And C and D. D is twice a number decreased by 2. Twice a number means 2x minus 2. Okay. Is the same way E part is here. E part is half of a number added to a 7. Half of a number 1 by 2 x or y or z, what you can say. And this is added to a number 7. 7 plus 1 by 2 y. This y is a variable, it's half. So 7 plus 1 by 2, or you can write it 7 plus y by 2. So in F part, that is 12 subtracted from the sum of 6 and a number. 6 और कोई एक नंबर लें, उसमें से 12 जो है वो सब्ट्रैक्ट करें, दैट विल बी आवर आंसर. 6 plus x minus 12, that is your answer. So question number 4, write the phrase for the following algebraic expression. ये जो एक्सप्रेशन है इसके लिए आपने एक एक्सप्रेशन आपने लिखनी है वर्ड्स में, फ्रेज में लिखनी है. तो पहली क्या है, 2x plus 5y. तो वी कैन हम ये कह सकते हैं कि ट्वाइस ए नंबर एडेड बाय 5. कोई भी वेरिएबल x 2x है तो ट्वाइस हो जाएगा, ट्वाइस ए नंबर एडेड बाय 5. हियर a number added by 8. Here 5 subtracted from a number. Okay, here 5 3 plus x minus 2. Here we can write that 2 subtracted from sum of 3 and a number. So here we can say 24 divided by x. So we can write 24 divided by x. Here E part is, we can say 24 divided by a number, by any variable. 14 minus 3x, this 14 subtracted from any 14 subtracted minus 3 and a variable. So that is the answer, or we can say here, or we can say it that 14 subtracted from a number 3 times. So the number is 3x, so 14 minus 3x. Write algebraic equation for the following statements. 6 added to a number is 8. So here we can 6 added to a number. Okay, now we'll write the algebraic equation for the following statements. 6 added to a number is 8. So one by one we did it. 6 added by a number is 8. So the second is 4 subtracted from a number is 13. C is 6 times a number decreased by 3 is 5. D is 3 times the sum of a number and 8 is 14. And E is equal to, E part is a number decreased by 6 is 12. Number is L, decreased by 6. Okay, and F part is twice the number decreased by 33 is 66. Twice the number decreased by 33 is 66. and G is 2 times the number is 16 less than 10 times the number. Okay, and H part is 6 subtracted from 5 times a number. 5 times the number, 5x minus 6 is equal to 14. So question number 6 is write the statement for the following algebraic equation. 8 minus x is equal to 1. So we can say 8 decreased by a number is equal to 1. So we write 8 decreased by a number is equal to 1. 9x plus 4 is equal to 22. So 9 times a number plus 4 is equal to 22. So 3x minus 7 is 23. 3 times a number subtracted by 7 is equal to 23. X plus 5 is equal to 2x. A number added by 5 is twice a number. So here we can write the product of 6 times less than a number plus and 2 times a number is equal to 8. 48 minus x is equal to 7x. So we can say 48 less than a number is equal to 7 times a number. So 4x minus 8 is equal to 2x. So 4 times a number decreased by 8 is equal to 2 times a number. 36 by x is equal to 4x. 3 times divided by x is equal to 3 times divided by a number. 36 times 36 divided by a number or 36 divided by a number is equal to 4 multiplied by a number. So that is your answer. So inshallah we will meet in the next video. So this exercise is completed. Thank you for listening and watching.